Very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. This is Gopinath Ganesan. In this video, we will discuss about how to find out the stationery consumption for accountancy subject in Tamil Nadu State Board. Illustration number 13 and 14. Exercise number 14, 15, and 16. Before enter into the class, we will see the format. Income and expenditure account. In expenditure side, here only we mention the consumption, whether sports material or stationery or bat and ball. Here I take the sports material. Sports material consumed. Here first purchase, then add opening stock. Why? Because opening stock already here is there. Again, we purchase the additional sports material. It will be increase the stock. That's why here added. Then less closing stock. Less closing stock. Then only we need to be find out the how much value of sports material is used. So that's why the closing stock here deducted. Then stock is our asset. Stock is our asset. That's why the particular stock it's mentioned in the asset side. Mentioned in the asset side. Here they are given the two stock, opening stock and closing stock. Opening stock mentioned in the opening balance sheet. Closing stock would be mentioned in the closing balance sheet. Listen here two balance sheet 2018-2019. The opening stock value mentioned in the opening balance sheet. Closing stock balance will be mentioned in the closing balance sheet. Here the purchase value here added. Same like that here. Whenever it's sale, the sports material is sold, it will be mentioned in the opposite side. Mentioned in the opposite side. Okay, we will see one sum. Illustration number 13. How will be the following items appear in the final accounts of sports club? Stock of sports material 1 for 2018. Sports material purchase. Here they are given sports material purchase. Let me consider the purchase value. Let me consider the purchase value is 9,000. Purchase value is 9,000. Sale of old sports material. Purchase will be mentioned here. In opposite side will be mentioned the sale. Stock of sports material 31/3/2019. Here they are given the two stock. One stock is 2018, another one stock is 2019. 2018 stock consider as opening. 2019 stock consider as closing. We will see the answer. Income and expenditure account. Expenditure side, income side. Here they are given the material is sports material. That's why here would be mentioned to sports material consumed. Purchase here they are given purchase 9,000. What is the format? Purchase add opening stock less closing stock. Purchase add opening stock less closing stock. Purchase we mentioned here 9,000. Then opening stock. Here they are given two stock. 2018 consider as opening stock 3,000. 2019 consider as closing stock 4,000. That's why purchase 9,000 add 3,000 total 12,000 less closing stock 4,000. The net value here 8,000. Purchase mentioned in debit side. That's why in opposite side, the opposite of purchase is sales. That's why here sale of sports material mentioned in credit side. Sale of sports material mentioned in credit side. Here. After that, when we prepare the balance sheet. In the book, they are given only one balance sheet, current year balance sheet. But in the question here, they are asking how will be the following item appear in the final accounts of sports club. Here they are not mentioned the period. Whenever they are not mentioned the period, please prepare the both the balance sheet, it will be better. Balance sheet as on 31st 3 2018. Here they are given 2018. Here they are given stock. Stock is our current asset. That's why let me mention the balance sheet 2018. Asset side in the name of stock of sports material 3000. Stock of sports material. Sports material 3000. Closing stock they are given 4000. Balance sheet as on 31st 3 2019. Sports material 4000. Next question. Illustration number 14. Illustration number 14. From the following details. From the following details, calculate the printing and stationery. Printing and stationery to be debited to income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018, and also so how it will be appear in the balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. 31st March 2018. They are given three information. Amount paid for stationery, it means treated as purchase. Paid for stationery means the stationery purchased value 1500. Stationery consumed purchase value 1500. Then they are given the two stock. Stock of stationery on 1st April 2017. Stock of stationery on 2018. 2017, 2018. 2017 treated as opening stock. 2018 treated as closing stock. What is the format? Always opening stock added, the closing stock will be deduct. Purchase 1500, add opening stock 3000, total 1800, less closing stock 200. Here answer 1600. 1600. Next, here they are asking how it is shown in the final account. Balance sheet as on 31st 3 2017. Balance sheet as a 2018. Here, what is the opening balance? Opening stock 300. Closing balance 200. Opening balance sheet, asset side mentioned stationery 300. Closing balance sheet mentioned stationery 200. Here, very simple. Purchase, add opening stock, less closing stock. Here they are given two stock. We need to be prepared to balance sheet, opening balance sheet, closing balance sheet. Opening stock mentioned in the opening balance sheet. Here closing stock mentioned in the closing balance sheet asset side. Then exercise number 14. Exercise number 14. How will be the following appear in the final account of Marthandam Women Cultural Association? Here they are given three information. Sports material purchase, stock of sports material 18 and 19. Here they are given the word stock material purchased. Consider as purchase 84,000. Purchase 84,000. Then here they are given two stock. One stock related to 2018. Another one stock relating to 2019. 2018 consider as opening stock. Add opening stock 16,084 plus 16, 1 lakh. Stock of sports material on 31st 3 2019 consider as closing stock. Deduct the closing stock 1 lakh minus 10,000, 90,000. Then here in the question they are given how will be the following appear in the final accounts. Here stock consider as closing stock will be mentioned the balance sheet asset side. Here they are given two stock, that's why will be open the two balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st 3 2017. Balance sheet as on 31st 3 2019. Here 18 and 19. Opening stock here 16,000 mentioned here. Closing stock 10,000. Here closing balance sheet will be mentioned sports material 10,000. Very simple. Purchase add opening stock less closing stock. Opening stock mentioned in the opening balance sheet asset side, closing stock mentioned in the closing balance sheet asset side. Then sum number 15. How will the following appear in the final accounts of Vedarniyam Sports Club? Here they are given 4 information. Listen, purchase and sale. Very simple. Where we mention the purchase mentioned in the debit side. Sales is opposite side of purchase. That's why sales mentioned in the opposite side, credit side. It's very simple. Listen, opening balance. Purchase of bat and balls. Listen, income and expenditure account. Expenditure, amount, income, amount. Then, here they are given purchase of bat and ball. Here they are given the item is different. That's why here need to be mentioned to bat and ball consumed. To bat and balls consumed. Here they are given the word purchase. What is the value? 17,000. Purchase 17,000. Then here they are given the two stock, opening stock, closing stock. What is the format? Opening stock always added. Closing stock will be deduct. That's a add. Opening stock 3,000. 17,000 plus 3,000, 20,000. Less closing stock 4,000. Here net balance 16,000. Here sale of old bat and balls. Listen here, purchase mentioned in the debit side. That's why sales the opposite of purchase. That's why it's mentioned in the credit side. Purchase means the particular bat and ball value is increased. Sale means it's decreased. That's why I mentioned here. Here, balance sheet as on 31st 3 2017 and 18. Here they are not mentioned any date. Just they are given opening and closing. That's why don't mention any date. Balance sheet as on 31st 3 2000 dot. Here asset side bat and ball. The opening balance mentioned here 3,000 mentioned here. Closing balance sheet. Here closing balance sheet. The asset closing balance sheet asset. Closing stock of bat and ball mentioned in the asset side 4,000. Then the last sum. So the following items appear in the income and expenditure account of Sirgali Singers Association. They are given the three information: stock of 2018, stock of 2018, but here they are given stock of stationery on 1/4/2018. Its printing mistake actually is 2017. Opening stock 2,600. Purchase of stationery 6,500. Here stationery mentioned here to stationery consumed. Purchase already here they are given the word purchase of stationery. What is the value here? 6,500. Mentioned here purchase 6,500. Other than here they are given two stock. Opening stock always added. Closing stock to be deduct. Add opening stock 2,600. 6,500 plus 2,600 9,100 less closing stock. Here they are given 2,200. 9,100 minus 2,200. The net balance 6,100. Here listen here they are asking. So how the following items appear in the income and expenditure account? Here they are not asking final account. Here they are asking only income and expenditure account. It's enough. In income and expenditure account, here we mention purchase, add opening stock, less closing stock. It's enough. Thank you.